it's SheRea. What's up? Back with another video. If you are new here and you've never seen my face, but you like my face, definitely should have subscribed so you can stick around. Give this video a thumbs up. A like goes such a long way to support my channel. Per usual, everything will be linked down below. Don't forget to click a link and save a life, especially because this video is being made in partnership with Capri Hair Care, a small black woman-owned business. I gotta share with y'all my experience, give y'all the tea on these products, as well as a really important topic, which is conditioning natural hair. So if that's something that you're interested in, then let's get into it, sis. Conditioning, top shatter. This is the most important part to me for growing long, healthy, beautiful hair. As you may know, when it comes to deep conditioning, all products are not made equally. Some products are going to be better than others, but when you have products that infuse moisture into your hair, that allow you to detangle your hair, you're able to retain length. If your hair is not breaking off, so the number one reason for a lack of length retention or breakage is lack of conditioning to the hair, for the hair not being moisturized. If your hair is dry, if your hair is brittle, it's going to break off and you're not going to see the length retention that all of us really want. So we gotta talk about their deep conditioner. Now, y'all know I try a lot of products, but I can't think of a deep conditioner I have loved this year. Maybe one has been good and I've really enjoyed it, but not many. Like when it comes to a straight up deep conditioner, I haven't loved any this year. And we're in November, sis, okay? 2024 is certainly almost over and nothing has really made the cut. And y'all know when it comes to me and my hair, sis real particular. Pacific when it comes to hair products. But this deep conditioner,
this right here,
girl, the best deep conditioner of 2024. So this is their Moisture Transfusion Deep Conditioner. Tons of slip and moisture. Now, tons of slip and moisture. When a deep conditioner does have slip, it really does change the game. So when I used this product, my hair was tangled. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I don't think I had washed my hair for 2 weeks. And then I went in with a clay treatment. Then I went in with a co-wash. At no point did I detangle my hair. When I applied this was a saving grace for tangled hair. Because usually I am not a proponent of going into the shower without pre-pooing or detangling my hair. This was already, me stepping out on faith, right? Trusting the process. And when I trusted the process, girl, the slip on this is hands down, I can't even lie about it, the most slipperiest, the conditioner with the most slip. It has the most detangling abilities. And I've tried a lot of deep conditioners and I can't think of many that could top this when it comes to slip. So if you depend on your deep conditioner for slip, this is a product that you definitely have to pick up. Especially for me, y'all know I deep condition on damp hair. I don't deep condition on soaking wet hair. So imagine the amount of slip you will get. Another thing I love about this deep conditioner is the consistency of the product. Is a more loosey-goosey deep conditioner, and that is honestly my preference. Obviously, this looser consistency helps with the slip, but it also helps for this product to really penetrate into my strands and my hair just sucks it up. It's just amazing. Highly recommended. Like I said, I try a lot of products and I am not easily impressed, but this impressed me, this shocked me, and I am still reeling from my experience with this product. Now let's talk about the leave-in conditioner. This product is called the Cure, period. It's supposed to strengthen and repair, and it gives you long-lasting moisture. And what I love about this line is that it delivers on its promises, right? This is severely neglected hair. I don't recommend that y'all do this. This is hair that's actually about 2 weeks old. And for the last 4 days, I've just had my hair in 2 pigtails under my bonnet. I just haven't been in the mood to do anything with my hair. Y'all know the climate right now, okay? Y'all know what's going on in this country. And I just haven't been feeling well either. I've been sweating. I've been distressed. So my hair wasn't too pigtails, so I did lose some of my definition with just neglecting my hair. But if nothing else, my hair is super duper soft. Like my hair feels like a cloud. It feels super duper soft. It's dirty and it's time for wash day, but it still looks good and it's still moisturized. When it comes to this product, you're going to get anywhere from 5 to 7 days of moisture, and that's what you need. I prefer products to last me from wash day to wash day, and this is for me and my house. I need my leave-ins to give me instant moisture. So, you know, sometimes people are like, let the moisture sit, or the moisture is gonna come in a few hours, a few days. Girl, what? If I don't have moisture, instant moisture, that doesn't work for me and my type 4 hair. I need my hair to feel instantly soft. That is the litmus test. If it don't do that, it ain't for me. And also, I need my leave-in conditioner to have slip. This is also one of the slipperiest leave-in conditioners I've ever used as well. I mean, so softening and so detangling on application. Your tangles are going to melt away. So this product, I've used it several times now, and I know exactly how it works. I will say that both of these products smell amazing. Both of them kind of smell like candy, really fruity. I've used it by itself. I've used it with an Ayurvedic tea, and regardless of how I use it, it delivers. Even though this top layer of my hair has frizz, because I initially had a middle part and I decided to flip it over, the under sections of my hair still have so much definition 2 weeks later because I have a base of moisture, a base of hydration. My hair is conditioned. If you feel like your curls are no longer defined, or they're droopy, or they just don't have that je ne sais quoi, it's probably because you need to really up the conditioning of your hair. I mean, you may also need some balm builders. That's going to be a whole different video, but you really need moisture. Type 4 hair is naturally dry. It's naturally prone to breakage because of that dryness. So you want to make sure that you're staying on top of it. And I don't know about some other products, but I know about these products. And I know that these products are going to really get your hair the softness and moisture that it needs. This is actually delivering on the claims. So much respect to Capri Hair Care. Much respect to them for sponsoring this video, for seeing me, seeing my channel, and wanting to partner with me on this video. If you've ever tried these products, let me know what you think. And if you're thinking about trying them, also let me know that as well. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and let me know down below. Don't forget to check out Capri Hair Care. Everything will be linked down below per usual. And I'll talk to y'all later. Be well, y'all. Be safe. And we're gonna be all right. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.